Hey, welcome back to It's New. Got the whole crew for you. Anu is having a good time with the shades.
Oh, I don't understand what's going on right now.
So I parked towards the sun because I wanted to show you the lengths I go through to record the show. I pulled over right by the Bills training camp, which you can see right there.
Oh, hey.
Oh
Oh,
God,
wow. That's
lovely.
cool because I'm probably going to the New Jersey Jets training camp on Thursday. So
Ugh. Oh, sorry.
I know, right? I know. They're free tickets, don't worry. But it's a waste of time. So, any event, thanks for being here. I'm going to be covering the Google search ranking volatility post core update. Mordy, what do you got for us?
Google's really pressing my buttons, and Bing says, we're good too.
Anu?
Brand controls has moved.
Greg.
Are there positive changes on the horizon for negative keyword lists and PMax?
All right, yada, yada, yada. All right, so Google, the core update was done 5 days ago, and the tools themselves are still like spiking like crazy. A little bit calmer today, Monday, but throughout the weekend since the core update as well, SEMrush has been that, as Greg would call it, the Frankenstein forehead. He said that on Marketing O'Clock this morning, so definitely check that out. The tools really are pretty heated, especially after the core update finished. I'm not sure what's going on. There are some people saying I was ranking well, things recovered, and now things are like dying again. Some people are like, I was doing poorly, now I'm doing well. So with any of these types of ranking volatilities, there are ups and downs, but I'm a little confused why it hasn't calmed down yet after the core update. Again, we're day number 5. So we'll see, but it's definitely, we've seen this before, but not, I don't think at this level. So I don't know. Any event, we just switch to AI and just deal with that. There's just no ranking volatility there, right, Morty?
Oh, no, none. It's nothing. What happens in the AI overview, nothing to do with ranking. By the way, even if we search for Barry Schwartz now in AI overviews, you show up with the psychology dude. They said there's 2 Barry Schwartzes.
2 of them, wow.
Yeah. You're coming into your own, Barry, finally. You know who else is coming to their own? Bing, at least according to Bing. So Bing says, hey, Copilot, we're good too. We also do good stuff. Google does good stuff, and we do good stuff. And in a side-by-side comparison between the two of them that Barry has on the SE Roundtable, I can't tell the freaking difference. So good strategy by both Bing and Google. What are we doing, Bing? Can we figure out how to differentiate yourselves at this point? As we're 40 years into this thing already. Anywho, any comments?
It's interesting that they do this. So this is the corporate vice president at Microsoft, Jordi Ribas, and he goes through one example of why he prefers Copilot over AI mode from Google. But then he answers some interesting questions in the comments, specifically about what do you say here? He said basically that personalization. I found this very interesting. Basically, Copilot's not using much personalization at this point. So somebody asked him, are you using cookies in previous sessions? And he's basically, at this point, Copilot's primarily based on query and session, but the impact of personalization, contextualization will increase over time. So that was pretty interesting to see that as well.
Also, that sounds bad. Like I'd want the personalization and customization if I'm comparing versus AI.
That's
Right?
your
No.
opinion.
Jordi disagrees.
Yeah.
I disagree with him. I double stamp his triple stamp.
Yeah, so it's interesting comments there, but it is. I find it weird that Microsoft does this a lot. It's like, look at us, and then there's a weird article from like, I don't know if you saw on it was on TechMeme, I think.
Oh, I commented on that. Holy cow!
Yeah, it was basically like, we're not going to go ahead and try to do AI to take over the world. We're going to do a more humanistic approach or something. We're going to do it lesser.
Human super intelligence or something like that.
Like, okay.
AI still can't tell me. I wrote back to you. AI still can't tell me the Jets suck. Hems and haws. Oh, well, maybe that they suck. Just give me the answer.
It's
super
true.
intelligence.
True. But if you can't find AI mode, I'm sure now you can.
Yeah, now you're not. So now, first of all, I'm completely confused now. So this comes from SERoundtable.com over at Barry Schwartz. Whatever. What's your Rusty? You have it on your own website. I don't even know the URL.
I have lots of URLs.
Yeah. Oh boy. Okay. So this is SERoundtable.com, but there is an actual Rusty Brick website you should check out a link to. So Barry outranks the other guy. And it's Google was testing for months, according to Barry Schwartz. When you have the search box on the Google homepage, you click like search for the icon. Now it says AI mode. So I don't know what the hell I'm doing. Right? Because I'm looking to go to Google and search, and there's no actual search anymore. But as I'm searching it takes me to search, but there's also a button for AI mode. Try to run a search.
Well, there is a Google. I mean, all they did was add. So if you see the before and after on the screenshots, Google has the search box with the lens button and the microphone button, and they just added an AI mode button that's animated. So it really is in your face. The Google search box button is below next to the I'm feeling lucky. So that didn't change. It just added an AI mode button with an animation.
But it's super confusing as a user because I'm going to Google, I'm going to do a query, and then as you're doing the query, you click, but it's weird. I found it a weird user experience. Maybe it's just me, but I found it confusing.
Intentional. Yeah. But what's not weird is brand controls in it, Google Ads. Where is it?
Oh, me?
Oh, you pulled a Mordy.
I thought I'd pull a Mordy. I'd be like, sorry, is that transition? Yes, so Google Ads is moving the brand controls to AI Max. So like if you want to implement your brand controls for your search campaigns, you need to have AI Max turned on. But yeah, advertisers can still keep or remove the existing brand lists in their legacy campaigns, but to add new brand lists, users must now enable AI Max. I posed this question to the PPC Lab community. I was like, is this an issue? Is Google trying to force us to use AI Max? But someone said was like, yeah, you try to use brand exclusions. You don't really need brand exclusions if you don't have AI Max enabled. So that's good for everyone involved. Is that right, Greg?
I haven't read the story yet. But is it inclusions and exclusions are only in AI Max?
Yes.
It's ridiculous. Unneeded, unwarranted. No, because brand inclusions are like a helpful thing. So if you wanted to go out there and say, hey, I'm looking for blue widgets, and then put a brand inclusion on there, it would just be your own company's blue widgets. So that would be helpful, whether it's AI Max or phrase match, exact match, broad match, whatever match. So if that's the case, that's it's just not needed. It's just not. Nothing was wrong with it. It was one of the good changes we've all been talking about.
Yeah.
It should still just be for everything. Just allow brand inclusions and exclusions. Stop making things so hard. Stop making every different campaign type have different rules. It's so hard to train people.
Yeah.
Oh, Greg is always so negative.
He's running behind his sunglasses now. He can say whatever he wants.
That's my transition.
Your turn, Greg. Oh my God.
No, sorry. There's a garbage truck. There's a garbage truck going by.
That's not a garbage truck. That's a Corvette. Just ask Google.
It's a Corvette. Okay, so another positive, just because I am not negative all the time, but I'm positive about these negatives that Barry has alluded to, is that negative keyword lists may be coming to AI, to PMax soon. It was spotted, I believe, by Jonathan Taylor. I might have got that wrong. That might be the running back of the Colts. I can't swap back to my notes here, or my video goes away.
Alyssa Nab, and Jeremy Young.
Okay.
Yeah.
And so they're sort of spotted, and that would be a huge deal if you can get negative keyword lists into Performance Max. Because right now you can put negative keywords at the account level if you just never want to show up for them. You can put them at the campaign level. With Performance Max, we only got 100 to start. Now we have 10,000. But the way that you typically use negative keywords correctly is to create like very smart lists of things and then vet those lists regularly. So without these lists, it's still very like a manual process for PMax. So seeing it even spotted in the wild is a test or just getting ready for it. We know that they're coming, but it seems like they might be closer than we even thought.
Yeah, and the Google Help Doc says it's not available, but yeah, like you said, it's probably coming at some point.
It was announced, so it's coming at some point, but it might be a 2025 thing.
Awesome. All right, very good. Drive carefully. Watch out for footballs, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Oh, look, it's Josh Allen.
Yeah, right.
Bye.
Bye.